Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Okay, let's get into today's video. I will be showing you how to make a plant-based alternative to spaghetti and pasta sauce. I will be using a plant-based protein and some zucchini in making this recipe. So I'd seen this plant-based meat at the store and decided to get some and make a video to show you guys how to prepare it and also do a review on it. At the end of this video, I will be letting you know how it tastes and how it came out. So please keep watching. I begin by using this spiral cutter for the zucchini. It comes with 3 blades, the thick julienne cut blade, the thin julienne cut blade, and I think there's another blade. This is called the ribbon cut blade, but today I will be using the green thick julienne cut blade. So basically you slide out that compartment. I cut the head of the zucchini just to get a smooth surface, so I cut off the roots and the top. Then I cut it into about half the size. Then I will be placing it in between the cutter and the spike hook that holds it together. This is a really great way to do more with your vegetables and just make them look nicer and greater and just fancy. And it's especially great for this recipe because it allows me to spiralize and julienne my zucchini, and so it comes out like pasta strands, as you can see here. And so basically that's what I do until I'm done with cutting up all the zucchini. The next thing I do is take a knife and begin to cut the leftover zucchini that the spiral cutter couldn't get to into smaller pieces. I try to get them as thin as possible because no waste here, guys. We're using every part of this zucchini because it's just so delicious and it's a nutrient dense vegetable that has so many benefits, and we can't let any go to waste. It's time to cook the plant-based meat. I add some olive oil to the pan, not a lot because the meat already came with some coconut oil mixed in it. I'll be adding some rosemary and some sage to flavor the meat, and then some onions and some garlic. So this plant-based meat was made with soy. That's basically what it is, some soy, and of course they added some other ingredients to get it to look the way it does and to taste like meat. So it is processed. After the onions has cooked for a little bit, I add my meat and I just cut it up into little bits and keep cooking it for about 5 to 10 minutes until the meat is thoroughly cooked. After my meat has been cooked, I add some diced tomatoes and I stir that up as well. Cook that for a few more minutes, breaking it up a little bit, mixing them all together. Now it's time to add some pasta sauce. I'll be adding half of the can right now, cook it for a bit and then add the other half later. Next thing I'll be doing is add some herbs to my pasta sauce. I'll be adding some oregano, some Italian herb and some black pepper. I'll be finishing up the sauce with some chopped parsley. And then I'm getting ready to cook the zucchini that I'll be serving with this sauce. So the sauce is ready now, and as you can see, it actually looks like real meat. You can't tell that it wasn't real meat that was used to make the sauce. To cook our zucchini, we will be blanching it, and to blanch your zucchini, you basically want to cook it in hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes, or you can use a steamer to steam your zucchini. Any way works. So in a pot of boiling water, you add some salt and then you add your zucchini and let it cook for about 2 minutes, not longer than that, guys. 2 to 3 minutes max, so that we can still retain all the nutrients from our zucchini. After that, we would strain out the water, and that's it. Your zucchini is ready to serve. So time for a strand test. As you can see, it looks just like pasta. I mean, you can't tell that it wasn't the traditional pasta that was used to make it. I love it. So good, guys, so good. Great alternative if you're trying to cut back on carbs. You should try this. So now I served my sauce with my zucchini spaghetti, and oh my god, it does taste really good. I mean, the meat tastes like actual meat. I would give them 8 over 10 for this meat. It was really good. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back again, subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and drop some comments. I will be in the comment section. Until next time, bye. Have a good one.